Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen, but we're not cooking today. I just went to the store, went and picked me up a nice little Magic Bullet mini juicer. I've been wanting one of these for the longest, so I finally gave in and got one. Picked one up nearest Walmart. So we're about to crack this bad boy open and see what it do. Alright, we got our directions. Little barcode you can scan. Give you recipes. Okay, we have our little toothbrush. Clean it up. Okay, we have our little fella right here. I guess this to catch the skin. Thought it was gonna come with a cup, but it didn't. Nope, no cup. Let me see what's in here. Hey. Alright, so it didn't come with no cup. Alright, so, okay, that's the little smasher right there. Okay, here we go. We famous. So I'm finna do now, I'm finna clean this bad boy up. We'll make it happen. Okay, so here we go right here. We have one more watermelon. We have celery, cucumber, 1 lemon, 2 apples, ginger, and 3 garlic cloves. So that's what we're using. And we have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And this bad boy is nice. It has a little suction, so you don't have to worry about it moving once you get it going in action. So we're about to go ahead and plug it up, and we're gonna do our thing. Okay, let's get it going. So we have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It was supposed to come with a cup, but I guess I wasn't lucky. One of the lucky ones to get a cup. We'll place our watermelon in there. Turn it on. Use too much lemon, just 1 raw lemon. And then we'll get the rest of this. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. We have our nice little drink. This one I'm supposed to drink before bedtime. And I'm gonna drink a cup in the morning. And we're gonna see what it do. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.